Right, something else for you today. Today we're here with Mr. Michael Clarke from Ignition Advances.
That's me.
Gonna dyno that thing. It was supposed to be the TT here, but unfortunately things happened and it doesn't like gears anymore, so it's not here. But we're dynoing this. Michael's going to strap it down. We'll see how it goes.
256 horsepower.
If you're lucky, mate. Come on, bets in now. Power figure.
307. 299.8.
329.
Someone's got to be.
I don't know. I think. Yeah. Michael, power. What do you reckon?
Well, whoever priced me the most, I'll make it make whatever you want. 150 if you want.
Just make it make 256 exactly.
Oh, that's sad.
256.1.
I reckon. Got to make 320.
Yeah. That's what, to be fair, that's what Chris sort of reckoned. That's what.
Yeah. 300-ish, over 300 I reckon. Would be nice.
We'll soon find out. Richard, you won something.
That's someone won me love.
Let's run away. But yeah, 310, 330 foot-pound of torque. Yeah, good solid power. Gareth, look how happy his face is.
Successful dyno for once.
But yeah, it's a thing. Got no throttle again.
That's exactly what mine. That's exactly what mine did. Mine did like weird, and then sometimes it'll just start and fucking.
Great success.
Yeah, it's nothing too exhausted.
Gareth's car didn't break, made good power. Well, yeah, it had a throttle issue, but apart from that, it's all good. This thing has now had. Oh, Gareth's just beating Richard up with a.
Yeah, I know. Sort of just like glanced my left nut. Fucking got the right in the nut.
Anyway, what I was saying is there is now no visible exhaust on this because he's had to put something on that makes it really quiet.
Who had to put it on?
Well, Gareth had to put it on because he clearly doesn't do anything.
To be fair, he jacked it up. Very. Oh yeah.